Have you ever noticed this? Someday you wake up and feel alive, focused, ready to move, and some days that energy disappears. What if English had a word that captures those powerful moments? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Shaheda English Paradise. I'm your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 2 of our 60-day English vocabulary confident journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful English word. At the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style English sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is energetic. Repeat after me. Energetic. Now you say it. No rush, let it flow. Did you try? Very good. Energetic doesn't only mean you have physical strength. You can be energetic when you feel excited about learning. Your mind feels active and fresh. You want to do more, not less. Then connect emotionally. When you say energetic, people feel your motivation. Now, this is your moment. Pause the video. Make one sentence about yourself using energetic. Then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Energy grows when you use your voice. This journey is building something real. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary fluency assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments, depending on the platform you're using. For learners who want deeper practice, I have created a 15-day private vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. It's ideal for learners who want structure, guidance, and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Many students have improved their confidence this way. Now, here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use energetic. I feel energetic in the morning. She is energetic and ready to learn. He sounds energetic when he speaks about his goals. Notice something important? We say energetic, not energy. You have energy, but you are energetic. That's the difference. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream English course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 2. Tomorrow, day 3, we will explore a word that describes your situation. Follow the journey, stay consistent, your English becomes stronger, one word at a time. Happy learning!